Hi students. Okay, today in this video lecture we will discussing analysis of previous question papers, that is mid exam and last year end semester exam paper. Okay, in this one I am giving some important questions also given in the end of the video. So see that this all questions will come in the examination but not given the same questions. So but 50 to 60% will given same to same questions, and also do practice all questions in the last year question paper questions, and also in the last semester exam question papers the questions, and also in the giving some important questions. Okay na, see that complete video. Okay, thank you. So hi students, okay, this is last year second mid examination paper. So we see that here questions. So from unit 4, the first question is given, state Dirichlet's conditions for Fourier series. This is one of the important questions, a short question. And the next one, find Fourier coefficients A0 for f of x is equal to e power minus x in the interval 0, 25. So in the second question, see that not given totally, we have to finding the Fourier series. There is only one coefficient, that is A0 is enough. Okay, do not finding total A0, AN, BN. So next from unit 5, third question, find the unit normal vector to the surface. So given surface, some any surface, we have to finding the unit normal vector. Okay na? So next one, from unit 5, if f bar is a given vector field, so already given this vector is solenoidal vector, then finding the p value. So already this is also very important question. And the next one, from unit 6, if f bar is equal to given vector field and evaluate line integral about dot dr bar. ఇక్కడ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన లైన్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ అండి, వేర్ ద గివెన్ కర్వ్ ఈస్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x స్క్వేర్ ఫ్రమ్ ది పాయింట్ 0, 0 to 1, 2. This is also important question. So next one, state Gauss divergence and Stokes theorem. This is also very important to short questions. The statement of the three theorems ఉంటాయి మనకి, Green's theorem, Stokes theorem, Gauss divergence theorem. అందులో ఏదైనా రావచ్చు. సో this is the last year question paper given short questions. Okay na? See the long question here, part B. Yeah, here given, find a Fourier series to represent f of x is equal to x square. So in the interval minus 5 to 5. So in interval of Fourier series find out chairman. Okay na? This is a long question, also important. And unit 5, the long question given, the two questions are given here. A question here, determine the directional derivative of f of x comma y comma z. This is a given surface at point 1, 2, 3 in the direction vector 3i plus 4j minus 5k. So you have to finding the direction derivative. Okay, so in this one, second question given, evaluate angle between two surfaces, but given only one surface. So at one surface but given 2 points, at the 2 points we have to finding the angle between two normals of the given surface. Okay, so next from unit 6, the question is verify Green's theorem in the plane for evaluate. So this is also very important long question. This is general question and maximum ఇదే question repeat అవుతుంటుంది. Okay na? This is also important question, do practice. So your given region is bounded by two parabolas. Okay na? This is the most important. So next one, 10th question. So this is also long question from 3 units to 2 marks question. Okay na? So in the first question A, find the off range Fourier sine series. So in the interval f of x is equal to x 0, 2 ఇంటర్వెల్ అండి. ఓకేనా? సో మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్ ఏదైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు. మనకి ఇంటర్వెల్లో డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్వెల్లో మనం సిరీస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ సైన్ సిరీస్ అడిగాడు. సో అది ఇంటర్వెల్ 0, L అంటే దట్ ఈస్ 0, 2. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ యూనిట్ 5, షో దట్ గివెన్ వెక్టర్ ఫీల్డ్ ఈజ్ irrotational వెక్టర్ ఫీల్డ్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు షో దట్ ఈస్ del cross f bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay, so next from unit 6, the given question, apply Gauss divergence theorem to evaluate. So this is a surface integral and you have to finding the surface integral, do not finding directly. So using the Gauss divergence theorem. So given surface is sphere. Okay na? So this is the last year mid-term examination question paper. Okay na? Do practice all these questions, also important. So next one, end exam చూద్దాం. So we will see the end exam the last year advanced calculus, the last year August September 2023 అండి. ఓకేనా? see that year. So first question, second question, third question is the for mid one already completed. Unit 1, 2, 3. So see the fourth question. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఫోర్త్ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చాడు, రైట్ డిస్ప్లే కండిషన్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ క్వశ్చన్, క్యాలిక్యులేట్ డైవర్జెన్స్ of the vector function f bar is equal to given vector field at point 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so next question, state Stokes theorem. So you are given one of the 2 marks question, statement of the Stokes theorem. So this is a short questions, also very very important questions. Okay, so see the next long questions here given. Yeah, this is 7th is the, so this is a unit 1 అండి. ఓకేనా? see that here another one long questions here. 10th A, find Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to x minus x square. So ఇది very very important question అండి. x minus x square is sometimes also given, x plus x square is also given. So from this series we have to finding, next one we have to show that this is the condition. Okay na? This is the important questions. So next one, or another one in this one, express f of x is equal to x as of range cosine series and in the interval. ఇక్కడ మనకి cosine series ఇచ్చాడు, f of x is equal to x in the interval 0, 2. Okay na? So another one in this question, the given obtain Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to minus 1, 1. చూడండి maximum x లో వస్తున్న, you have to finding the series expansion, so that we will practice the more x in the different intervals. Okay na? So next from unit 5, 11th question A, first one is find the directional derivative of the given surface along the direction vector I plus 2j plus 2k at the point 1, 2, 0. This is also important question, directional derivative. Okay na? So next one, show that, show that the function f bar is a rotational vector. This is also important question, a rotational vector, and we have to show that del cross f bar is equal to 0 bar. Okay na? So next in this one, choice question, another one, verify whether the vector field f bar is solenoidal or not. So we have to verify it, solenoidal or not. So that is we have to finding del dot f bar is equal to 0. Okay na? So another one question is given, find unit normal vector to the surface f is equal to x square plus xyz plus z square at the point 1, 0, minus. This is also important question from unit 5. Okay na? Do practice this all questions, also important. So next one, the from unit 6, 12th A, verify Gauss divergence theorem. F bar is equal to x cube minus yz minus 2x square yj plus 2k. And so the given surface is bounded by the planes. This is a cubature manaki. This is also very very important question, long question and verification of Gauss divergence theorem. So in this one, choice are given, verify Green's theorem for vector field f bar where C is closed curve in the xy plane bounded by the 2 parabolas. చూడండి మ్యాక్సిమం గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ ద గ్రీన్స్ థియరంలో పారాబోల్స్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. సో డూ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆల్ ఫర్ గివెన్ ఎనీ వెక్టర్ ఫీల్డ్, ఇస్ నాట్ గివెన్ వెక్టర్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎనీ వన్, బట్ కర్వ్ ఈస్ బౌండెడ్ బై ది 2 parabols. దిస్ ఇస్ ద లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఎండ్ సెమిస్టర్ ఎగ్జామ్కి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ అండి. దిస్ ఆల్సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్, దిస్ మోడల్ ఆల్సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్, see the next one. I am giving some important questions Sunday from 3 units. Okay na? So this is not only mid exams, end semester also important questions. Okay. So from unit 4, Fourier series expansion. Yeah, state Dirichlet conditions for Fourier series. This is also one of the important questions. And find Fourier series for f of x is equal to 5 minus x in the interval 0, 2, 5. And find Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to minus 5x in the interval minus 5, 5. This is also very important question. And reduce the maximum questions is not long questions. Okay, now this is also important question. And next one, obtain Fourier series for mod x. Mod x is also very important question in the interval minus 5 to 5. Hence, show that 1 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus up to so on 5 square by 8. Okay, na? So next one, obtain Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x by 5, 1 minus 2x by 5 in the interval minus 5 to 5. Okay, so this is one of some important questions. Next, continuation. So obtain Fourier series of f of x is equal to, okay, obtain Fourier series for f of x is equal to e4 minus x is also very important question. Okay, next one, find Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to x plus x square. So previous question paper lo like x minus x square ichchadu kada. So this is also important question. This is a long question, maximum given in the examination. X plus x square in the interval minus 5 to 5, and show that two conditions. Deduce the two conditions also important. So next, obtain Fourier sine series of the function f of x is equal to x in the interval 0, 1. Only sine series you have to finding and so in the interval 0, L is equal to 1. Okay. So previous question paper lo manaki 0, 2 ichchadu, x ichchadu, x and function x interval 0, 2 is also important. Do practice same questions. Okay. Next, obtain Fourier sine and cosine series of the function f of x is equal to x in the interval 0, 5 is also important question. And find Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to x square. So in the interval minus 5 to 5. Hence find the sum of the infinite series. And so 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus up to so on. See, while enta untundo you have to finding. First finding the Fourier series. From that you are substituting x value something. You are getting that's value. Okay, now this is also important question. And find off range Fourier sine series of the given function cos x in the interval 0, 5. Okay. So find Fourier series of f of x is equal to 5x 5 into 2 minus x in the interval 0, 2. So this is some important questions for unit 4 Fourier series. Okay, na? So maximum will come not the same to same questions. 50 to 70% is the same to question will come in the examination. Okay, na? So next one we will see that next unit. So vector differentiation. Okay. Okay, vector differentiation from unit 5. Yeah, find the unit normal vector to the surface at point 1, 1, minus 2. So next one, find the gradient of the scalar field at the point 3, 1, 1. And next one, find the angle of intersection of the spheres. Two spheres are given here at the point 4, minus 3, 2. So next one, determine the directional derivative of the given scalar field f bar at the point 1, 2, 3 in the direction of the vector 3i plus 4j minus 5k. So next one, find the directional derivative of the function f is equal to x square minus y square plus 2z square at the point p 1 comma 2 comma 3 in the direction of the line PQ, where Q of 5 comma 0 comma 4. So next one, find the directional derivative of the function f is equal to xy square plus yz cube at the point P of 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 in the direction of I plus 2j plus 2k. Okay, yeah. Next one, find the greatest value of the directional derivative of the function 2x square minus y minus z power 4 at 1 comma 1 comma 1. So next one, if r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk is a position vector of any point, show that del r power n is equal to n into r power n minus 1 into r bar. This is also important questions. So next, continuation, remaining questions. Okay, next question, if r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk is a position vector of any point, show that del f of r is equal to f dash of r by r into r bar. This is also maximum repeated question, important question. So next one, del square, show that del square f of r is equal to f double dash of r plus 2 by r into f dash of r. So next one, if f bar is equal to given vector field, find divergence and curl f bar at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. This is also very very important question, divergence and curl. So next, to find divergence and curl f bar where f bar is equal to gradient of xy plus yz plus zx. So next one, find the constants a comma b and c if the vector a bar, so a bar is equal given vector field is the rotation vector, also find the scalar potential phi such that a bar is equal to del pi. This is also long question, important question. And the next one, if r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk and mod r bar is equal to r, show that divergence of r bar by r cube is equal to 0. Okay, next one, show that f bar is equal to yzi plus zxj plus xyk is irrotational. We have to show that is irrotational vector and also find a scalar potential pi. Okay, now this is also important question, long questions. And the next one, if f bar is x plus 3yi plus y minus 2zj plus x plus pzk is solenoidal vector, find p. This is also important question, repeated times. Next one, show that divergence of curl f bar is equal to 0 or del cross f bar is equal to 0. That means this is one of the property also we have to show that where f bar is vector differential function. So this is some important question from unit 5, vector differentiation. Okay, so next one, yeah, vector integration. Okay, so first question here, if a force f bar is 3xyi minus y square j displaces a particle in the xy plane from the point 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 2 along the curve y is equal to 2x square, find the work done. So find the work done means you have to finding line integral. This is also question is repeated many times. So you have to finding line integral for the given vector field. Okay, na? Next one, if f bar is a vector field, show that the line integral f bar dot dr bar is independent of the curve joining 2 points. So line integral is independent of the path means you have to show that given vector field is rotational vector field. That is enough to show that del cross f bar is equal to 0 bar. Next one, evaluate integration of f bar dot dr bar. So given vector field f bar, you have to finding line integral along the straight line C from the point 0 comma 0 comma 0 to 2 comma 1 comma 3. So this is the from the line integral important questions. So next one. So evaluate surface integral and where a bar is equal given vector field and S is the part of the plane included in the first octant. So you have to finding the surface integral. This is the question 4th. So next one, evaluate also surface integral where a vector field above bar is the and S is the surface of the cube, and this is a lengthy question and important question like on cube. Okay na? So this is some questions from vectors integration. Remaining questions we will see that. So next, defined line, surface and volume integrals and definitions, and the definitions also important questions. Line integral, surface integral and volume integrals. So next one. Yeah, given vector field f bar, evaluate volume integral of del dot f bar and volume integral of del cross f bar, where y is the closed region bounded by the some plane and x is equal 0, y is equal 0, z is equal 0 and 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. So next question, state Green's, Stokes and Gauss divergence theorem. So this is also 2 marks question and statement of these theorems. This is also important question. Do practice the 3 theorem statements. So next question, verify Green's theorem for the vector field f bar, where C is the boundary of the region bounded by the x is equal 0, y is equal 0, x plus y is equal 1, and that is a triangle is given. So now verification, line integral and double integral. Okay na? So next question, verify Green's theorem for integration over C. 3x square minus 8y square into dx plus 4y minus 6xy. So where C is the boundary of the region bounded by 2 parabolas. This is also very important question. Okay na? Many times repeated this question. Next, apply Green's theorem to evaluate. So integration of the line integral we have to finding by using Green's theorem. That means line integral is converted to the double integral. We have to finding that value. Okay na? By using only Green's theorem. So next one, verify Stokes theorem for the given vector field f bar, where S is the surface of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 16. So where and also z greater than or equal to 0. So this is an important question sum, and the remaining questions we will see that. Yeah, use Stokes theorem, evaluate, that is line integral. Line integral of the given where C is the boundary of the triangle with vertices. Okay, 2 0 0 0 3 0 3 0 and 0 0 6. Next, evaluate the line integral by using Stokes theorem for f bar is equal to yzi plus zxj plus xyk, and C is the curve of intersection of circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 and y is equal to z square. So you have to finding the only line integral which is converted to the surface integral by using Stokes theorem. Okay. So next, verify Gauss divergence theorem for the vector field f bar and where S is the surface bounded by the cube. Okay na? This is a verification Gauss divergence theorem. These are previous questions also given the long question. This is also important question. So next one, use Gauss divergence theorem to evaluate. So given surface integral and we have to finding surface integral by using Gauss divergence theorem, which is converted to the volume integral of divergence of f bar, which is converted to the volume integral. We have to finding the volume integral. Okay. So next one, evaluate surface integral f bar dot n cap ds by using Gauss divergence theorem for f bar is equal to given vector field over the region bounded by the cylinder. Okay. So this is some important question from unit 6. This overall all important questions from the unit 4, unit 5, unit 6. This is not only for mid exam, end exam is also important question. Maximum will become we will given 50 to 60% same to same questions. So not all 100% question. Okay, na? Do practice all these questions. Okay, thank you.